Welcome, Valley Sports Cards, Memorabilia, and Picture Framings. Box Break 2015 Heritage, always the most popular product of the year for the true set builders. Only one hit per box, but tons of short prints, parallel cards, and to be honest, you have to go and look at the serial numbers to know what they are, so we're not going to be able to do that on camera, but they're in there. So start off first, Valley Sports Cards. You go to our website, valleysportscards.com. You can shop from home. Pretty much everything in the store is available online. Shop from home, valleysportscards.com. Facebook, Valley Sports Cards Memorabilia and Picture Framing. Cardboard Lord, at Cardboard Lord on Twitter. And Instagram, Valley Sports Cards of Tarzana. Underscores between every word. All right, the winners for today. MLB 5515, you got the Twins. 5152, you got the Dodgers and the Angels. 5194, you got the Indians, the White Sox, the Tigers. 2345, Giants. All right, here we go. As I said, there's a lot of short prints in here, and you got to look at the serial numbers. So really on first, it's hard. Usually you don't find your big hits until later when you're going through the box the second time.
Baseball Cardpedia is a really good site to tell you what's the short prints, and
it actually lists all of the odds and parallels and pretty much everything you can get. So first things first, you got your multi-team here. We got Jimmy Rollins, Tampa Bay. We got Dodgers, Rays, and so we got that goes to the Dodgers. 5152, that is yours. Jimmy Rollins as a Dodger. Pretty cool. First one I've seen. All right, put that over here for now. All right, here we go. There's, if you look on the back, I'm not going to look on there, these artificial gum stains. We have these white stains, and I think there's one per every one or two boxes, but again, we'll find that upon, so I'm not going to look on the back of every card we got. Martinez, Kennedy, Trumbo, Cueto, Shields, Casimir, Uribe. And was it 1, 2, 3? This is usually where it's not. Usually the fourth card, but if you look down there, the last two cards of every card ends with a 5-3. Those are your base cards. If you see a 5-8, those are your short prints. Again, we will find that upon. And it's usually the fourth card in the pack is what I found. Prado. Oops, you got Red Sox, Tigers. Two teams. You got Tigers. No one took the Red Sox. All right. Ozuna, Lee. There we go. We got Giants, Dodgers. There we go. We got our first. Wait, so we're done for that one. Tigers, Reds. I'll do the, because I have a feeling we're going to have a couple. Where you want to do them now? We'll do them more after, yeah, because I have a feeling there's going to be a bunch of duels. Ramirez, Cozart, Farrell, Nova, Altuve, Gwynn Jr., Joe Panic. Matt Kemp, G. John Nathan. Is that one? Oh. There, so maybe that's that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the sixth card. Maybe that's where the we got Marlins, Cubs, and Mets. None of those teams were taken. Dodgers and Nats. Dodgers were taken. Jock Peterson, rookie. No one took the Nats. Dodgers, Marlins, yeah, only Dodgers. Coughlin, or no. Dodgers and A's. A's were not taken. Jerry Collins? Thought he was gone. All right, Cubs, Rangers. Pretty good there. So that's a short print. 5-8. There you go. See the last two numbers on there? And then a 5-8. So that is the 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth card in the pack. So that's where you find your hit for packs for your short prints, your gum stains, your blue backs, a plethora of other things they put in here. All right. Andre Ethier. Phillies. Yeah. Yep. It seems they're putting less short prints. Last year you used to get about 10 per box. Now it seems like you're getting less. Staying truer to the definition. I see a chrome card in here. Adam Wainwright, numbered out of 999. It's a nice card. Astros, Angels. Angels. No one took the Astros. Twins. Someone took the Twins? Yeah, both Twins. Hard with each pack, you kind of have to look through them front, you have to look through them back. You never know. A lot of times the things are hidden on the back. You don't even realize you got a hit until you turn it over. We said a customer pull a blue back card.
Is that a numbered card?
I don't know if they're numbered, but they're hard to pull. I've never seen one. A-Rod. Dodgers, Kershaw, Koufax. Nice card. Seems they do that every year. That's the 4th or 5th one they've done. The Panda, Tanaka, Wilson. That's a short print. Yep. 5/8.
How can you tell that one's a short print?
Well, it's the 5th card in the pack, but I've seen it before. But if you look over, you can say the last 2 digits. You have a different serial number. The short prints have a 5/8 as opposed to a 5/3. But I'd seen that one before, so I recognized it. One. All right. One hit. Usually a clubhouse collection jersey or bat card. Once in a while you get lucky. The real one autograph is really, that's the ultimate hit right there. Koufax. O's, Astros, White Sox. White Sox is the winner. Red Sox. The real one autos are nice. They're all on card. Yeah, and then there's your 66 autos of players, for the most part, you've never heard of. But they're always on card and they're nice. Diamondbacks. There we got Dodgers, Reds, cards. Dodgers win. Giants, Phillies, Tigers. A's. All right, last stack. Zach Britton, Reed, Matheny, Ryu, Puig. Oh, that's an action one too. You look, that's a 6/2. That's an action sharp print. Congratulations, who that is? 5152. That is an action sharp print of Yasiel Puig. That is a nice card right there. That good? Nice. Wow. Congratulations. That's Angels. I think the action short print is 1 per box, if I'm not mistaken. That's an action photo as opposed to a posed photo. Hey, Mike Trout. That's got to be that. Yep, 5/8. That's a short print. Angels. 5152, man. You're having a day. There you go. Mike Trout short print. Kuroda. That's in Rios. Richardson. Matty Lee. No. Blue Jays. McClendon. Alright. Cabrera, Bochy, Decker, Trout, Green, New Age Performers. But we're getting right down to the bottom here. Dyson, Latos. We got White Sox is the winner. Is that Lester? Yep, that's a short print too. John Lester short print on. First card is a Chicago Cub. That's good stuff. All right, Indians, A's, Padres, Colts. I don't know what that is. Right down to the bottom here, only 2 packs left. I think I see our hit. Yep. J.J. Hardy, Ibar, Kershaw, Wainwright. There's an ironic card. And our jersey card of Christian Yelich. Yay, Miami Marlins. Outfielder, local boy here, San Fernando Valley. Christian Yelich. Pat Neshek, Dewey, Escobar. And our last pack. Josh Donaldson, Fowler, Danks. Padres, Giants. Giants win. No one picked the Padres. And that is the end of our box. Upon going through, I'm sure we'll find a bunch more short prints. We need to settle this one, Dodger Giants. So take the camera over. And in other words.
And the winner is the Giants.
Yay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Congratulations, you are the winner. So that was a 2015 Topps Heritage box break. Yasiel Puig action card, big hit of the box. Probably a lot more in there we haven't even found yet. So I'm sure there's some surprises hidden there. So thanks for watching Valley Sports Cards, Memorabilia, and Picture Framing. Check us out online. You can now buy stuff there. Go to Facebook, Valley Sports Cards, Memorabilia, and Picture Framing. Instagram is Valley Sports Cards of Tarzana with the underscores between every word. And Twitter at Cardboard Lord. Thanks for watching. See you later.